Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I make vegetable soup, ugu and water leaf soup, Edikang soup with less palm oil. I use palm oil, but keep watching and see when I add the palm oil to make this soup stay green while eating it. Super delicious and healthy. Alright everyone, let's dive into it. So here are all my ingredients. I have my kpomo or cow skin chopped to the size that I love, crayfish, blended crayfish. I have in this bowl 3 dry catfish. I'll be washing this off camera with warm water and salt. I have some already chopped onions, seasoning. I have in this bowl yellow chili pepper, garlic and bits of ginger blended together to season the meat. Then I have salt. I have stockfish. I'll be washing this off camera with warm water and salt. You could click the link down below, the first link, to see how I wash this. And then I have my fresh goat meat. It's already washed and ready. You could use any meat of your choice, but I'm using goat meat in this video. Then I have palm oil. Keep watching and see how I use this palm oil in the soup to keep it the same way you see. So while in a clean pot, after placing my pots on fire, I'll go ahead and add my already washed goat meat, followed by cow skin, stockfish, and then the dry fish. Then I'll go ahead and add my freshly chopped onions, salt to taste, seasoning to taste, and then I'll add my yellow chili pepper, garlic and ginger blended together. Then I will take a turning stick and turn this. I didn't do that here, so while that is aside, I'll allow you to simmer for 10 minutes. Here is my ugu leaf. If you've not seen ugu leaf before, this is what it looks like. I've already plucked it out from the stain and washed it. I'll be cutting it off camera. If you want to see how I cut my ugu leaf, there's a link I will leave down below for that. But in this video I will not be showing you how I cut it. So after cutting it, this is what it looks like. I love to cut my at home. I love these shapes. So next is our water leaf. For your vegetable soup to come our way, it also depends on the type of water leaf you use. So the ones that have these tiny leaves are superb. So I'm going to be taking away the flower I just showed you. That is not needed. And after washing and cutting it, this is what it looks like. If I cut it in the market, I will not be getting this size. So to have it the way I want it, I always love to cut it home, everyone. So I will set this aside and then go back to the already cooking meat and take a turning stick and flip it to the other side. Remember, I did not add any water, so I'm allowing this to moisture, so it brings us enough water and allowing the seasoning to get into it. So after 5 minutes, I will go ahead and remove the catfish, because if you leave it in the pot, it's going to scatter and the bone will fill the whole soup. So I'll be adding it back later when the soup is almost cooked. So I will cover this now and allow it to cook on a high flame for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I will turn it. And at this very point, I'm going to be adding the already chopped water leaf. You notice that the water in there is so small. I allow it to moisture the meat and everything. If you have added water, then it will be too much. Vegetable soup don't need water. Water leaf is already filled with water, as the name implies. Hello, all my genuine subscriber. If you're new here, thanks for coming. Please don't forget to like, comment, share my video to your friends and family, and don't forget to watch the ads and share my videos. For more yummy soup recipes on this channel, please click the links down below. I'll be leaving links for more yummy soup, and all the ingredients used for this video will be at the description box down below. Alright, so keep watching and don't go away. So after adding my freshly chopped water leaf, I'll go ahead and add my crayfish, and then I will add palm oil. So this is when I add my palm oil, because some palm oil do have some flavor that are not good for your soup. So at this point, I add it and allow it to boil together with the water leaf. Doing that makes your palm oil not to be much in your soup. So I covered it for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I'll go ahead and stir it to combine. And at this point I'll be adding the vegetable leaf, that is the ugu leaf or pumpkin leaf. Our vegetable soup is almost ready, but not yet ready, everyone, so don't go away. Don't go away, keep watching. It's almost ready but not yet ready. This vegetable soup is very healthy and it can be eaten with any swallow of your choice, samovita, pounded yam, any swallow of your choice. It can also be used to eat rice if you want to. The choice is yours. So you can see that this soup looks sea green despite the fact that I add some palm oil in it. So this is our soup after stirring it to combine. It is ready to be served. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected, and don't forget to thumbs up for me. See you in the next video. Bye for now.